here we are printing on the response. We also need to print text, and actually let me convert it to JSON. Const JSON response is equal JSON dot parse text JSON res. Okay, save it. Control A for clearing our console and reload the page once again. Shift 5 or Shift F5. Okay, this is what we are getting back. We are getting data. Inside data we have another data, and in data we have clubs of a array, but it has zero club. Actually, let's add some club. Mutation, add club. The club name will be, first club name will be FC Barcelona, and league will be La Liga. And it will return name and league and ID as well. We want everything as written. And FC Barcelona is our first club. Second club will be let's try it out once again. We should get some clubs. Console log, check it out, and we should get back some clubs. Data, in data we have few clubs. Okay, so okay, now just use data dot clubs so we can get all the clubs. Before that, let me change the value of state club list. From here just use state, and we need to pass this state inside this function. Okay, just close all the backend files. We are done with it. Now we need to paste the state from here. Okay, state dot club list all clubs, actually all clubs. This should return JSON dot data dot clubs. If it returns this, then this state will be set. Okay, and okay, once the request is made, this function will get called. So what we can do is state dot is loading true. We can set it's loading true, so we can add some kind of spinner. You can search by spinner bootstrap and you'll see what the spinner means. Okay, or some loading page. When this is true, we can set some kind of loading page. After the request is successfully getting the response back, then we can set the is loading back to false as previous. Okay, so let's do it false, save it. Okay, now go to club.vuejs. okay, so in here just print out all clubs. Or okay, state. Okay, in list item li tag we can use a for v4, and in the bracket we are going to use item comma I in state dot club list. Okay, because by using this v4 we are going to loop. Let me cut it from here and paste it below this class. It is showing an error, is saying elements in iteration expect to have vbind key. So let's use this vbind key. Vbind key is equal I. Okay, that's all we need. And here we'll have, here we are going to pass vbind double curly braces item dot name, and once again double curly braces item dot leak, and save it and open your browser one more time. It's saying cannot read properties of undefined. Why this is undefined? Here we are using composition API. So in order to use composition API, we need to do like this. All the thing we are going to use inside our template, we need to return from here as well. So let's return state. Once we return from here, we can access this element value from this template. Okay, so reload the page. You see it's already done. All the 6 club we have, but we need to give some space.